Hi, I'm Bertrand. Welcome to the Boomers Tech Show, where every week we show boomers how to use tech to make their lives easier. This is part 8 of our basic iPad series. In this video, we are going to show you how you can scan documents with your iPad. Sometimes you may need to save important documents or receipts. Your iPad will allow you to scan and save all of your documents. Open Notes and select a note or create a new one. Next, tap the camera button, then tap Scan Documents. Then, place your document in view of the camera. If your device is in auto mode, your documents will automatically scan. Tap Scan. Then tap Save or add additional scans to the document. This has been a quick tutorial showing you how to scan and save documents on your iPad. If you found value in this video, give us a like and please subscribe, helping us to grow this channel. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show. I will see you in our next video.